There was a time when I failed in my life, and the reason behind my failure was procrastination. And I'm definitely sure most of the people have this reason, because this is the biggest reason of our failure. But when you overcome this, you are a winner. So anybody who is willing to start their own business of fabrics, of clothing, then this particular video is for you. Other than that, if you want to start any other business, then please kindly skip the video. Hello and welcome to Kesaria Textile Company, and this is the biggest manufacturing company in all over India. Here I am standing in the first floor of Millennium Textile Market 1, and let me show you. There exactly on the opposite side there is a ring road flyover. So if you come to Surat station, this place is exactly only 2 kilometers away from Surat station. You can catch a cab or auto, Ola, Uber. Every services is available in Surat. So there are many modes of transportation in Surat, and this is the first floor where this Kesaria Textile Company is located. So today I'm going to give you a little tour of KTC, so you can understand actually with which company you are going to come and shop your shop. You should know about that company. Let's enter this place. So here is the accounting office, and that's our sir, Ritesh sir. So he's the owner of Kesaria Textile Company. He's a very gentle and humble person. If you come here, you should meet him, and you should understand so many people in India has already started their own business, and if you meet him, you will understand the importance of starting your own business. These are the parcels you can see which are actually ready to get departed, because whenever we get an order, we depart those products within 24 hours. These are the parcels, and you can see those till there. Those are all parcels, and that is the parcel room only. So I'm not going to take you there. Let's take you upstairs. This is the office reception where customers come and wait for us. And if there is a waiting upstairs, there are a lot of customers, then they have to wait for a little time. But if you can, we won't make you wait. Let's go up. So come. This is the first counter, and this is completely kids wear counter. This is a new counter which is added to Kesaria Textile Company's Indian wear section. Well, this is not Indian wear, but this is kids counter, and that is all the collection you can check. So come ahead, I'll show you. This is the nightwear section where you get all type of nightwear for men and girls, and especially for kids also. You can check the nightwear, they are so trendy. And yes, of course, nighties are also available. Let's move ahead. I'll give it a tour. This is the cotton segment where you get all type of cotton, and on the opposite hand, this is a Suti cotton segment. So there are so many customers in Suti cotton segment. Well, this is lunchtime right now when I'm making the video. And in lunchtime, most of the customers and most of the salespersons are actually busy in having lunch, of course. So this is the segment of sarees, and we also have ready-made sarees. I'm definitely going to make a very good video on these ready-made segments. This is dyed embroidery fancy section, and you can see the customers have selected this saree, so these are out for the customers. So we'll go ahead. There are customers. I'll keep a little mum. So there was customer, and now again let's come. These all counters are for sarees and sarees. You can see, check everywhere it is sarees. We have print sarees, we have silk sarees, we have Banarsi sarees, we have marriage sarees, we have UP sarees, Bihar sarees, and all type of cotton sarees also. Whichever pattern, whichever concept of sarees is actually available in this globe, we have all type of saree in Kesaria Textile Company. That also only manufacturing grade. So you can see these are again counters of sarees, and here again the print counter is actually having customers. So I'm not going to go there, but I'll ask the videographer to take a shot for you. Now come ahead. This is the half tour of Kesaria Textile Company. So I will keep it as a part 1. For continue video, you have to check out to the part 2, where I will show you the another half tour of KTC. Here I end my video. We provide you cash on delivery if you are ordering from India, and worldwide shipping is also available in KTC. And if you want any guidance regarding business, that also is available in KTC, that also free of cost. See you again in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।